this dump truck, man, he's taking up the entire road. There's no way that I can get past this guy, even if I wanted to. I mean, it's not his fault. It's small roads here, but goodness gracious, man. Like, he's got some space on the right side. Look at this now. Look at this now. Look at this. Whoop! Whoop! Oh, here's another one. Whoop! Okay, we're good. We're good. We're still safe. We're still doing the right thing here. We're good. We're good. Everybody's safe. Everybody gonna survive the day. We're good. But yeah, no, legit, I love this place, man. I love all the different types of driving styles there is. There's no like standardized driving style. People are just like all over the place, but very professional though. Lots of them are very, very good in tight spaces, which is absolutely amazing. Yeah, anyone that comes here first time from like the USA or Canada, they shit their pants. Like, they legit would shit their pants, because they wouldn't know what the heck's going on, how to... Oh, here's another tight squeeze ahead here. How about here? How are we gonna do here? That guy's good. We're good. Okay, it's a little bit wider here. A little bit wider. Man, I love it. I love all the different class type trucks. I love seeing all this kind of stuff. I love relating it back to logistics. I love relating it back to, you know, what we like to talk about. So yeah, you know, this guy ain't doing no cheap loads, fucking sacrificing his life just to drive on these tight roads. You know what I'm saying? You know, he ain't doing no buck a mile shit. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Oh man, I love this place. I love it. I love it. Oh my god, another curve. But yeah, what do you guys think? Do you guys think this is amazing? Would you want to drive here? Do you think you could drive here? Do you feel like the first week would be a lot of heart attacks? Or what you feeling? What you thinking? Let me know in the comments. You know, let's let people know how amazing these people are, how professional drivers they are, you know? So anyways, that's all I had for now. That's really all I wanted to say was, oh my goodness, lots of rain. But yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. Let's get it going, hustlers. Respect.